So here I have the bed assist rail from Agrish. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble your product and then install it onto your bed. These are all the pieces that you get with it. There's really not that many of them. Most of them just pop into place with a simple pin push. With the pieces, you also receive a storage bag and then that LED light that you put on there, and that just has a sticky magnet that you stick to the bag, and then it sticks to the back of your light. But first, let's get this thing assembled. So you're going to start with the legs. Very simple. Just take your first base of the leg and extend that piece in there. And it should just pop into place. There you go. And you'll see there's a bunch of different heights that you can choose. So whatever's going to work for your bed, you'll be able to get that fitted for you. All right, now both legs are secure and we can move on to finishing the base. So what I like to do is just lay it down flat like that. Get this together, slide it on, pop it into place. We'll move to the other side, slide it down, pop it into place, and there we go. Now the base is fully together, so at this point is going to be where you're going to need to use your screwdriver. So what you want to do is take your screws out, and to screw these into place is really simple. Just get that secured with your hand, and you can basically honestly get the screws in by hand without even using like a screwdriver. Obviously, you just want to use a screwdriver to get that final tightening on there, but they pretty much go in all by themselves. So even if you're not a handyman or woman, don't worry. It's going to be a really simple process regardless. But we got my base on there with a supportive piece. Now we can put the handle on and move to installing it onto the bed. So handle, just as all the other pieces, just slides in and pops into place. All right, so this is fully assembled. Now we can move to installing it onto the... All right, so let's get this installed now onto my bed. So it's very simple. All you need to do is lift up your mattress and slide it under there, and then you're gonna adjust the length of your legs to make it work with whatever height bed you have. I personally have a box spring. If you don't have a box spring, it'll still work out for you. Just make sure you have some type of bed frame under there that maybe is like a platform bed frame or something where this can have some support underneath it so it can sit between the mattress on top and support underneath, and that way it's going to stay secure for you and not move around. But let's get this onto my bed now. Okay, so now it's fully assembled and installed on your bed. That process took me about maybe 10 minutes to do, maybe even less. It was super simple. The light's on here. It comes with a battery in it, so if you want to use it right away, you can turn it on and use it. You don't have to worry about putting a battery in there, and it's a magnet. So if you want to take it off, put it somewhere else, walk around with you at night, if you want to go to the bathroom, it'll be right there for you, and you can just turn it off whenever you're done. But overall, this was super easy to put together, affordable. So if you or your loved ones having issues kind of getting in and out of bed, or maybe an injury, you could just have trouble for a couple weeks or a couple months getting in and out of bed, this will make it a lot easier for you. So it gets 2 thumbs up from me.